it's very difficult to legitimize a career like music in Hyderabad, India. Like nobody takes you seriously until you really, like you have a movie gig or something like that. And
So
it's really good.
music, especially like, when you are releasing albums and everything, how did you promote your music? How did you bring it
So
out to people?
yeah, through 8FX. 8FX helped me promote my music. Um, I I did everything I could really. My only method to promote my music is to be everywhere. I didn't think much, you know. I didn't overthink marketing. Now I do, and that's a bad thing. Honestly, I hate having to know how marketing needs to be done, and now I have to pinpoint everything, and it takes so much time and energy to do that. When you don't know how to do anything and you just do anything, it's so much fun. And I think I had way more fun earlier on in my process in 2016, 17, when I was just doing anything to be a musician and just to prove myself as I prove to myself that I was a musician actually. Because it's very difficult to legitimize a career like music in Hyderabad, India. Like nobody takes you seriously until you really, like you have a movie gig or something like that. And knowing that I won't do a movie, there is no way to legitimize it. And the way that I did it is to just be everywhere. Every club gig that I got, I played. Every Instagram thing I am on. I have a website, I have a Twitter, I have a Facebook, I have a Facebook page, I have a mailing list, like everything. I just want to do everything and hope that something happens through something. That's all.
Right. So,
Yeah, and I think also a big part of it has to do with the kind of people I met and the kind of people I met through them. Like my network that I built over that 3 year period has helped me a lot in Hyderabad specifically, and now I'm trying to recreate that in other cities as well. That's the next step for me.
in between all of this, what was the main thing that music taught you?
Um, I mean, a bunch of things really, just very regular things that everybody learns through their own career. It's not that music has taught me something only music can teach me. But I think every young creator or entrepreneur or anybody who's doing something different has learned, has had a phase in their life where they have gotten too full of themselves. They thought they were achieving everything, and then something happens and they realize no, they're not. They're actually they're nothing, and they have to like calm the down and just like do whatever they have to do, and it's not about them always. And things like just general life stuff, like we've all learned these in some or the other way. For me, music is a thing. For you, it's something else. For everybody, something else. But yeah, just like I've learned that people are not as bad as you think they are, because of music. I have also learned that people are worse than you think they are in a lot of situations. So it's like you just learn how to um, see things according to the situation, I think. And that happens to everybody as they grow. But for me, it happened more because I'm a musician.
So, if today someone had to, bring their music out, get the world to listen to their music, what would be that one tip you would give them?
Make good music before anything else. Your marketing campaign does not matter. You might have the best marketing campaign in the world, but if the product is not good, nobody wants to listen to it, because everybody is making a new product every single day. In fact, every single hour of every single day. That is how many products are being made all over the world. And also, the main thing for me is to think global. Yes, maybe you are not even from a capital city in India, you are from a town in India, maybe you are even from a village in India, but you need to think global. You need to make music that will be accepted globally. And that is even if you're making Telugu music, because Telugu people are everywhere in the world today. Every type of person is everywhere in the world today. So think global. Whatever you make, if you're making a Telugu song, make sure every single Telugu person in every single country will relate to it, not just your bubble. Get out of your bubble, think global. I think that's the way to do music today. Because when Justin Bieber is making music, he's thinking about his Indian audience. He really is. And when Coldplay's Hymn for the Weekend music video was literally an ode to India and their Indian fans. The reason why Sonam Kapoor is in that video for a second is because they are thinking globally. They are thinking about India and their Indian audience, and you need to do that as an artist. If Coldplay is doing that and you look up to Coldplay, then you might as well do that. I guess that's the thing.
That's very true. And